Hello, this is George Senda, the real official, one and only, authentic, original, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And we're driving up to Sacramento, and we're on the freeway, and people are passing us like it's nothing. And I'm hearing this horrible noise on the right side. I thought it was the brakes. I don't know what this is. But this was hanging under the tire. And I managed to pull it all off, but I have no idea what part it is. So I'm filming this so I can go to a mechanic and say, what the hell is this? So, that came off our car when we were driving. I don't know what the hell it is, but. Oh, shit. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Raining on the way to Sacramento when the app said no rain.
This thing is the cow brand.
Yeah, but does it do anything? What is it for?
Is it? No, you don't need, like, you can drive.
Yeah, I'm driving. I thought it was our brakes going out. This thing is making a horrible noise, and I just pulled up. All right, excuse me. Excuse me.
From Northbound Ranch.
All right, there it is. Holy cow. That's got to be a new one. I don't know how that came off, but... Yeah, I got it. All right, say hello, Kathy.
Hello, Kathy.
There's my hand. All right, have a great day. And we're going to get the thing I'm buying and then go up to Coco's. See you later.